Want a chutney that's bold, earthy and bursting with flavor? Try this authentic South Indian Pudina Thogayal. Just 1 spoon and it makes your idlis, dosas or even rice unforgettable. Namaste, welcome to Gita's Kitchen. Today we have for you a South Indian Pudina Thogayal. Thogayal is something like a chutney but thicker than a chutney. Pudina or mint. Now this mint chutney is quite different from the North Indian mint chutney which you serve with chaat items. This is a South Indian Thogayal which is thicker in consistency, and the fresh mint leaves are roasted with dals, a few spices and a little bit tamarind and salt, and the taste is awesome. You can add it to hot rice and mix and eat, or even serve it with dosas or idlis. Just a few simple ingredients: 1 cup of fresh washed mint leaves, 2 tablespoons of Urad Dal, 1 tablespoon of Channa Dal, 4 to 5 dry red chillies, a small piece of tamarind. Heat a tablespoon of oil in a pan, add in the dried red chillies, Channa Dal and Urad Dal. First, saute all the ingredients till the dals become a lovely golden brown color and they are well roasted. Fry everything over a low flame because you just want just the right color for the dals and you don't want any of the spices to get burnt. See, the dals have got a lovely golden brown color. Now I am adding a small piece of tamarind and also the washed mint leaves to this. Now saute everything together. In just a few minutes, less than a minute, you will find that the mint leaves start wilting. Can you see that? See, they have all wilted and come together like this. At this stage, switch it off and allow it to cool. When cool, put all the ingredients in your blender jar. Add salt. Add just a little bit of water only because you need a thick paste. It should not be runny, so just add only little bit water and grind it. Our lovely thick Pudina Thogayal with the perfect consistency is ready. Now for our tempering, just in a teaspoon of oil, add a little bit of mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of Urad Dal and just 1 dry red chilli. Pour this tempering on top of your Pudina Thogayal. I am pairing it with some kudi paniyaram. This time I am just using my idli batter and I have added some onion, tomato, green chilies and coriander leaves to it. I remember somebody asked me how to make this, so this is the simplest and easiest way to make it. Fill some oil in each mold. Pour in this batter. Just look at the Pudina Thogayal, a deep earthy green with roasted aroma. You can mix it with rice and ghee, or today as I have done, I am serving it with this what you call as kudi paniyaram or appe with a little bit of this Pudina Thogayal at the side. That lovely aroma of fresh mint along with the roasted dals is something really very tasty, and I love to have this with hot rice and the drizzle of ghee on top. Of course, you can serve it with your idli, dosa and other South Indian breakfast items too, as I have shown you today. If you like this video, please share it with your family and friends. And don't forget to meet again tomorrow with a new side dish for breakfast From our kitchen to yours. Thank you.